Hello everyone, this is Mark Stepp from Workflow Secrets. Wanted to share a new feature that we've added to the landing page section. We now have a survey section. You can name it survey, you can name it polling or poll, whatever you want to do. You put in the information as far as a normal landing page. So you'd put in first name, last name, email, and then you can set up a survey item where they can pick from 2 or more items in your survey list. Each item has the ability to have a photo and a description. You can just click on the photo to see more details. You can read all the description stuff. Once they select one of them that they choose from, click on submit. It will then take that submitted item and give them a result, in which case it will show them what their vote was and what the other people that have done that particular survey result has been as well. Within SAM, to set this up, it's quite easy now. You just go into the landing page itself. You've got all the different items that's available. We now have this new, whenever you add a field, we have a new item here for survey. You can click on that survey. You can choose what type it is. It's a survey field. What is the label on it? You can describe if you want to show the results in the thank you page or not, and whether or not you want to allow existing contacts to change their votes. But then what do you want it to do based off of if they submit? Do you want to do live tallies, or do you want to do only approved tallies? So if you've approved them in the list, otherwise it doesn't get counted. The photos themselves, what you want to use in a listing, what's the selected color, several different choices here, but you can add as many either listing items or custom items to the list. If you pick a listing, it will allow you to choose the hero photo and then put in the description of that photo. Then down at the bottom here, I also have one that's a custom where I just uploaded a sample Zillow house, grabbed the text on it and saved that. Making these required means, hey, they have to select something from the list. And once they do, they go to this page and then they can see the layout of the landing page and they can see the results after they submit it. One last piece on this is inside of the dashboard. Whenever you get your dashboard items, you will then start seeing a landing page results for the survey. And you can see all that the people that have chosen different selections. If you've chosen to do live, there's really nobody to connect to. If you've chosen approved, then this will allow you to click on and see those people that got that particular survey. This can be used for lots of different things instead of just houses. I mean, you could, put in something like, which living room do you like the best? Or which style do you like the best? And then that helps gather the information about that person and their preferences. So something to look forward to. It is live, so if you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Have a great day. Bye.